Mga adas, another products from NutriFinds delivered through Shopee. We have here the dried wild blueberries. And we also have the raw whole almonds from NutriFinds. They are actually the official distributors of mga nutritious products. Like for instance, the almonds, the blueberries, the chia seeds, the sesame seeds. And aside from that, they also have sent us some freebies. White chia seeds and the coffee puro. Now, I'm sure you're already familiar of this. This is so yummy. Alright, and the details for the seller is gonna be on the video description. So